Strategies for sustainable development. Sustainable development can be defined as development that meets the needs of the present generation. Sustainable development is about balancing the economic, social, and environmental objective of the society. Sustainability refers to the goals address the global challenges, including poverty, inequality, climate change, environmental degradation, peace, and justice. Principles. People centered approach होती है ये sustainable approach. Targeted with clear budgetary priorities. Link with national and local levels. Effective participation from all stakeholders. High level government commitment and influential lead institutions. Strategies for rural development. Rural development basically and mainly focus on poverty alleviation, better livelihood opportunities, provision of basic amenities and infrastructure facilities through innovative programs of wage and self-employment. Sustainable development means integrated the economic, social, environmental objective of the society in order to maximize human well-being in the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their needs. Sustainable rural development involves a holistic approach where daily basic needs of rural population must be covered by reliable public utilities combined with technical, socio-economic, and environmental condition to support regional economies and urban-rural linkages. Important measures for sustainable development. Technology is very most important measure for the sustainable development. Reduce, reuse, and recycle approach. Promoting environmental education and awareness. Resource utilization as per carrying capacity. Improving quality of life, including social, cultural, and economic dimensions. तीनों dimensions. Sustainable management strategies कौन सी? Sustainable management strategies are to focus on the economy, environment, society, and good governance, obviously. All these strategies needs to be well developed on a short, medium, and long term basis. कि ये हर बेसिस पे ये वेल डॉक्यूमेंटेड, वेल डेवलप्ड ये स्ट्रेटजीज होनी चाहिए. मेन एरियाज ऑफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी. सस्टेनेबिलिटी के 3 मेन एरियाज हैं, 3 मेन पिलर्स हैं जिसमें हमें सस्टेनेबिलिटी को समझने में बहुत आसानी होगी कि 3 मेन पिलर हैं. इनको अचीव करके हम कह सकते हैं कि जो डेवलपमेंट है वो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट है. उन 3 पिलर्स में क्या है? नंबर 1 एंड वेरी बेसिक है इकोनॉमिक वायबिलिटी. नंबर 2 environmental protection, and number 3 social equity. इन तीनों पिलर्स में हम बेहतरी ला के हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हम सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के जो गोल्स हैं उनको हम अचीव कर रहे हैं, हम सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट को अचीव करने में कामयाब हो गए. तो ये मेन स्ट्रेटजी भी हम इसको कह सकते हैं, इसको मेन पिलर्स भी कह सकते हैं सस्टेनेबिलिटी का, कि इकोनॉमिक वायबिलिटी हो, इन्वायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन हो और सोशल इक्विटी हो. ये एक ब्रॉडर सारी टर्म है, इसमें सारी चीज़ें इसमें शामिल हो जाती हैं.